Hello YouTube, this is Dave Alex from Blue Panda Production. I got a package today from Amazon which should be containing the Apple World Traveler Kit adapters for your iPod connections into the outlet plug, and also the Logitech wireless mouse M305 crimson red. So let me unpackage this quickly and we'll get started. Alright, as you can see, I already unpackaged this with my scissors. First, let's start with the Logitech wireless mouse M305. I bought this for $19.99 off of Amazon. I bought this because I kind of destroyed my dad's old wireless mouse, so yeah, I had to buy a new one. And yeah, so you can see all the features. It has plug-in and forget nano receiver. Ergonomically designed. Connect without a cord. Obviously, it's wireless. One battery, months of use. Hopefully, that's true. Alright. So, let me open this and then we'll get started on this. Alright, that was fairly easy to open. As you can see, they just tell you to easy open right there. All you do is pull right here. And basically, this just comes off, and then we take this out. Basically take this out. You can see the mouse, the battery, the little USB port. Alright, wait up. Wow, that was kind of hard for me to do with one hand, so I already took it apart. As you can see the different pieces. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Let's open this one. We have important information. What is this? Just the same info, and then basically the steps on how to do everything here. Pretty convenient. Each step, each process. Alright, just put that aside. And basically here we go with the wireless mouse M305. Looks nice. Everything looks good. Nothing seems broken. I don't know if you can read that, but it says on and off. And that's the sensor. Alright, so I figured out what that does now. Let me see. You push this up. Basically push this up. And this should come off. Like this. And basically that's where you're going to put the battery. So basically that goes like this. And they already turned on, as you can see there, by the green indicator. You put this back. Okay, I don't want to break this. Oh, there you go. You put that back, the little USB port. And basically that's all that's in the package. Alright, the second part of this unboxing is the Apple World Traveler Adapter Kit. Basically, if you buy this, you have every outlet possible for international usage for when you travel. In the back, it shows you every outlet possible. Oh, that comes with this. And this is for your iPod, iPod Touch, I'm assuming iPad, and of course, even the MacBooks. Yeah, so let's get this open. Alright, I got this open. And this retails for $40. I bought this off of Amazon for $39.99, which is basically the same thing. But here we go. This is what comes inside. Let's see. We should have. I'm assuming these are the manuals and the instructions for each. And here we go. Neatly packed as usual. We got 1, Hopefully I don't lose how this goes. There you go. Okay, and I'm assuming this is just switch for your MacBook charger. Another USB port, new one. And that's basically it. All of these come with it, as you can see. Now let's see this. Let's see. Just, yep, basically the instructions, how to use, and tells you each, as you can see, in different languages. Alright, so this is it. This was the unboxing of the Logitech wireless. Alright, this is the unboxing of the Logitech wireless mouse M305 and the Apple World Traveler Adapter Kit. Right? I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, please. Also, if you could rate this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out. Also, and thanks for watching. I'll put more videos up as time goes on. Thanks again. And thanks for stopping by, alright? Have a good day. Bye.